We're going to start off with my grandfather deck. Alright, so we're basically just going to refresh this deck. This is one of the oldest decks I have in my possession right now. When I had started, doing tarot, taking it a little more serious, this one right here. So we're going to refresh the energies because it's a new year. Alright, so a lot of refreshing energies, getting yourself together, jumping into the pool. Alright, Pisces, so let's go ahead and get right into your reading here. What do we have for Pisces? And if I'm guided to use other tarot decks, maybe even oracles, I'll use them. But with this deck, we're basically just going to touch up on different energies that you guys will be dealing with for the next few days, progressing forward. Okay, I would say up until 2.5 weeks for you guys. Alright, so keep that in mind. I come off a little sporadic at the beginning of the reading because that's where I do most of my channeling, but as we progress it will start to become more precise for you. Alright, so for Pisces, what do we have, please? I'm getting someone has a dimple or a mole right in the area that a dimple would be. Alright, so just like Libra, go ahead and watch Libra's reading. Okay, I did clean off the energies of this deck, but we're starting off with the Two of Wands, just like, Libra. So making good choices. You could definitely be partnering up with an Aries or a Libra here. Okay, yeah, but we have Two of Swords, so you might be helping a Libra here. Alright, because a Libra can make a choice there in the middle. Two of Wands. Okay, so I'm getting something going on here. Nine of Cups. Alright, so Pisces, some of you guys actually have achievements here, like things that you should actually be proud of is what I'm getting. A lot to be proud of. Okay, I do see you actually going to work here. Okay, Two of Swords is the energy that's given to you, so you might be dealing with individuals that don't know left from right, is what I'm getting. Okay, so you're either being like a psychic for them or some sort of medium. Alright, there is a mediumship here. Alright, so some of you guys don't know what to listen to. Okay, because you're like in the middle. Okay, so you want a happy medium or you want to be in the medium. Alright, so you're trying to, Pisces, remain kind of like in the medium, happy medium, in between, discussions here, or, not really making a choice on any side per se. Alright, but I'm getting that you guys are speaking or having certain visions. Okay, so a lot of you are actually having visions. Okay, but I'm getting a change of scenery. Alright, so there's something that's changing up here. Okay, what else do we have for Pisces? Actually, we're gonna do this, then we're gonna get more. So Two of Wands, please. You might be doing something from a distance. You could definitely be talking to someone over a distance, but this could simply be just, you could stay in the same state, live within the same city, but you're conversing through like DM or email. Okay, I just saw something. The Tower, yeah, so something happens. 10 of Cups, yeah, so you're receiving a lot of visions here. Alright, just like Libra, you're receiving a lot of visions. This could be something that's going on in your dream. This is like prophecy, visions, events, realizations. Now, of course, this could be happening in your dream world, but Three of Cups, they're good news. It's good news. Now, it could be you're receiving all of these, visions, and it pertains to certain individuals. Should you tell them? What's the Two of Swords, please? Good news. You've received good news. I got good news. Let's see, Two of Swords, please. There's also two different things happening here. There's something going on in one part of the world, and there's something going on a little closer to home. Two of Swords, please. Okay, so we have the World, and we have the Seven of Swords, the Fool. Okay, what's going on here? That's the Seven of Swords, please. So there could be a Leo, maybe a feminine energy that's doing something here. Okay, so they can definitely be on one side. Alright, so there definitely is something, there's something on one side. Or there's something that's going on here. It's like you have to calm the energies. Now this could definitely be someone else. What's the world, please? Or let's get more right here. What's the Tower? Queen of Cups, just like Libra, okay. And the Eight of Pentacles. Yes, it's like you're receiving a vision here, okay? Some of you could definitely be advisors in a certain type of way, the lovers, okay? So there's definitely something going on here. There's like some news or there's a report. Someone's like, watch out, it's a fire. There's a fire that's going on, or there's something that's about to strike. What else do we have here, please? Two of Wands, Eight of Pentacles. Hold on 1 second. Okay, Pisces, so you're seeing something here. I'm almost getting, watch what you say or don't say much, but I'm getting you notice something. You do notice something. It's almost like you are sending things out to see how someone will respond to it. You notice that they're actually taking something from you. They're taking something from you, but it might not be bad. What else do we have for the World card, please? Actually, okay, so the King of Wands. Alright, so there's a King of Wands. Either a part of you or this is someone in your energy, a King of Wands. Okay, but that could be your energy. But let's start right here. What else do we have for Pisces at this moment, please? Alright, so we have the Three of Coins. Alright, so a builder, a master builder, or a teacher. Okay, so here you are. Okay, you're implementing or you're going through a certain design. Alright, I do see you're nailing something up. Okay, you're putting something up. Alright, so you're given a certain time to do something, so you're actually putting things up right now. Alright, I'm getting you're quite proud at what you're doing here. Alright, so some of you are kind of like architects or something. There's some architecture that's going up here. Okay, yeah, we have the Five of Coins with the Four of Cups. Okay, so this is something about the project, something about the partnership. Alright, so maybe it was a loan of some kind, so you were asking for kind of like a loan. Okay, that's what you're doing. King of Wands. Okay, it could be from a fire sign. Okay, you're asking this fire sign for a loan or hoping that this fire sign will give you a loan of some kind. Okay, but now they're a little flaky, or they're listening to advisors, or someone's listening to an advisor, or they need to advise something. Someone needs to be advised about something, and it's like I'm not exactly sure, so I'm praying for this. Okay, I'm praying that it goes my way in a certain type of way. Okay, Nine of Cups. Okay, so maybe you got happy a little too soon. Okay, it seems as though some money went into your bank. Okay, could definitely be from a loan. Okay, but Justice. Okay, you are getting something, but I'm getting, don't get happy too soon. I'm getting definitely save something up because something might happen unexpectedly. Okay, I'm getting that you feel it. Now, of course, you can be on the reverse side and you could have told someone this. Alright, to save for a rainy day. Make sure you save for a rainy day. Or a part of you was saying, you know, put all of this into a different... Okay, so maybe you lied. Okay, maybe you said that the money will be used for this, but it's used for a rainy day. Okay, I'm getting Justice. Alright, so for Pisces love, romance life, for the next few days moving forward, what do we have, please? You might want to give it to someone. Okay, this might be you actually, knowing you. Okay, we have calling your soulmate. Okay, we have love yourself first. And we have romantic feelings. Trust. This situation is calling for you to have faith. Okay. Okay. Let's get something on your fortune quickly for Pisces, please. Now, I'm hoping someone's not giving like a false report or a false message here in order to receive some sort of gain or loan. A false report. So that's what I'm getting. Something, it's kind of like false. And someone knows that they have a certain edge over someone, or Pisces. What else do we have concerning this region? Okay, we have message of concern 1435 pathway. Interesting. What else? High honor. Bad health. Pathway. Okay, angel answers responding to any of Pisces' concerns at this moment, and then yes or no fashion, timing, and or action. What do we have for Pisces concerning this reading? Improving health, bad health. Okay, so it's for someone's health. Someone needs finances for their let's see. So we have weight. We have romance. Definitely right there. So someone going through something, we have don't stop. Something definitely is multiplying or about to multiply. Okay, we have improving health here. Okay, so the health of someone's bank account has been improving. Yeah, I do see that. It's like someone's been praying for someone's health. It could be this fire sign. I pray that this fire sign gets better. Oh my god, they have so much that they have to do or contributes, okay, and a part of my account or something, so please let them get better. I'm getting someone's health is restoring here. Okay, romance is coming in, romantic feelings, calling your soulmate, love yourself first, Pisces. That's for you. Okay, so I'll go ahead and leave it there. Definitely check out the other readings to help expand upon your situations further. Continue to like, comment, and share. That's how I pick up on your energy more and more. And so these readings can get out to those that need to hear them. Be on the lookout for further energy updates. You know, if you resonated with the energy, you enjoyed the vibe, then become a part of the tribe by clicking on subscribe, and make sure that you can click on all the notifications so that you do not miss a thing. You know, again, be on the lookout for further energy updates. But until then, Pisces, stay tuned.